Hi, good evening, Khoa.
Yes, good evening, teacher.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yeah, so long
Today,
time
yeah, today,
you
I,
cannot you cannot
yeah,
open
I
your
can.
camera.
Okay. Yes,
Why?
because I get lot camera at home.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. So maybe on the next meeting you can be able to use that. Is it okay?
uh, I think no, because
Why?
because now what, now I have
Ah, you're in the
traveling.
province.
Yes,
Yeah. So you're already in the province, right?
yes. In
Oh.
is next week I can open the camera.
Oh, okay. It's okay, no problem about that. Okay, anyway, even though you cannot open your camera, but still, you have to use your ears in order to listen to me, right?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. So let's proceed now, Kwa. Are you ready?
yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, okay. So let me present to you our presentation. Okay, just for a moment.
Yes, okay.
Okay, so last time we were able to understand some rules, right, in forming the present simple tense of the verb. Now, can you tell me, please, Kwa, what are the rules in forming the simple tense of the verb?
What?
Okay, what are the rules in forming the present simple tense of the verb?
We use the present simple for things that are generally true or that habitually happen.
Okay, can you please say generally?
January,
Generally. Again,
January,
generally.
generally,
Yeah. Okay, from the root word general. So general, can you say that?
generally,
General. Okay, can you say again? General.
general,
Yeah, and then just put li. So generally.
generally,
Okay. Can you please use the link generally, as in generally.
generally.
Okay. Do not say generally because that would be very obvious. Okay. Can you please say genre? Something like you were going to say generally. Okay. Again.
Generally,
Yeah. Okay. Habitually.
habitually,
Yeah. From the word habit, right? So from the word habit,
yes,
that means habit. So habitually. Again.
habitually,
Yeah. Okay. So generally, habitually. Again.
yes,
Generally, habitually.
January, habitually,
Okay. So that's the first rule, right? So
yeah,
there would be the so-called spelling rules for the he, she, it. So how are we
yes.
going to do that one?
Uh,
What? Remember our lesson? We did this one last time, right?
yeah.
Okay. So can you please tell me what is that one? So if the subjects would be he, she, it, so we have to what? Add s, right? So add s to
Yes.
our verb, right, Kwa? Okay,
Okay.
like for example, can you please read this one, Kwa?
Yes.
He
He was.
he
He
works.
played.
Okay, now
He was.
as yeah, as you can see in here, the verb is work, right? Again, when you
Yes.
say verb, what does it mean? When you
Words.
say verb, when you say verb, what does it mean? Verb is an action word, right? Okay, so
Okay.
when we say work, that means you're doing something. So you are doing something. So that would be action, right? Khoa? So that's a verb. So in this
Okay.
particular expression or a phrase, he works. So why is it we need to put an S? Because our subject is, what's our subject?
He's
He. Okay? What about if we were going to use
yeah.
worked? Our subject is she. So what it will going to be? She
She,
works.
she's worth
It
is worth
it works. He
yeah. She works.
he plays.
He plays. She plays. It plays.
He
She lives.
he lives.
He lives.
She
It
lives.
lives.
It lives. Okay. Now, if we try to use that one in a sentence, let's say, for example, he works. How are you going to use that in a sentence, Kwa? He
Uh, he
works
works in an office.
in an office. Very good. So he works in an office. What about when we say leave?
She lives in a mountain.
Okay,
No,
she
she lives
lives
in a
on a
mountain.
mountain, right? So she lives
Mhm.
on a mountain. Okay,
Yeah.
on a mountain. Okay. Now,
Okay.
again, our subjects would be he, she, it. So we need to add only s to our verb. Okay,
Yes.
to the base form of the verb. Okay, but if the
Yeah.
subjects would be, if the subjects would be
They,
I, you,
we,
we,
they.
they. So what are we going to do? No S. Okay?
Okay.
Because the I, the you, the we, the they, okay, we use this one in a plural, right? Especially the we,
Yeah.
the they, right? So this one is plural. So therefore, the verb also must comply with our subject or must agree with our subjects. Okay? So therefore, if you're going to use this one in a sentence, like for example,
I
I
work.
work. Okay? So it doesn't have an S, right? What?
Yeah.
I
Okay. Work. I play.
I play, I
Live.
live. Okay? So that would be it. So I watch, I finish, I go, I do. But for our subjects, he, she watches, she finishes, she goes,
She,
she does.
she lives.
Okay? I study,
She study.
yes, she studies. Now, there are also some verbs that when you use, okay, when you form the present simple of the tense, we do not add only an S, but we do change the Y into I and add ES. So not just only S, but we can also add S, okay, ES rather, at the end of the verb ES. Okay, Kwa?
Yeah.
So add
Yes.
S or ES, just like this one. Again, applying the spelling rule when we use the I, you, we, they as the subjects. So we don't use or we don't add an S. So instead, okay, some verbs change the Y or drop the Y, change that one into I and add ES. So just like she studies. Right? What?
Yes.
Okay. What about if the subject would be you? So you
You
work or
work.
works?
You work.
Very good. What about when we say they and then our verb is play?
They play.
Very good. Okay. What about leave? If the subject is we?
We live.
Very good. Okay. So the spelling rules for the he, she, it forms are the same as for the plurals. So be careful with some he, she, it forms. Like for example, I have, okay, he
Yeah.
has, not he haves.
Yes.
Remember that one, huh? It should be
Yes.
I have, you have, they have, we have. Okay? What?
Yes.
He, she, it has. He has,
Yeah.
she has, it has. Okay? I
Okay.
go. He goes, she goes, it goes.
It's
Okay? I do,
okay.
you do, we do, they do. And he does, she does, it does. Got it? What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I say, you say, they say, we say.
We say.
He says, he says, y- he
It
says,
says.
she
He
says,
says.
it says. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Question for this, Kwa?
No.
I hope, okay, I hope you do understood this one already. Now, moving on in here. So there are also other rules to be followed in forming the present simple tense of the verb. We have the present simple positive, and we have also present simple negative. If you
Negative.
happen to see this symbol, this is,
Positive.
and this one, negative.
Negative.
Okay, negative statements would be like, for example, does not. Okay, and
Yeah.
we can contract does one. So what's the contraction of does not? Doesn't. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You are not. Okay. You are not. So what's the contraction?
You aren't.
You aren't. Right? You
Yeah.
aren't. So that's the contraction. So contracted form, that's in the negative one. Right, Kwa? Okay. Can you please read this
Yeah.
one, Kwa?
Yeah. British people like
British.
anim-
Again.
British.
British. Again.
British people. British
People.
people like animal.
Okay. Why is it like instead of likes?
Uh, because
Our subject is,
they
it's a people, right?
people.
So
Yeah.
people is not just only one. So it has
It's
it can be many, right? That's why we don't need to put an S in here, right? Okay, so British people like animals. Next,
they like in house with life.
they lived in
Life.
houses. Live. Okay, again, remember this one, Kwa, huh? There are two pronunciation of
Yeah.
this word, lived and live. Live, that means
Yeah.
You are having a
Live.
live, maybe you are having a live show, right? Okay, you're having a
Yeah.
live broadcast. Okay, so that would be a live.
Yeah.
But when say you are residing to a particular place, that would be lived. So in this sentence, you are residing in a house, so therefore it should be pronounced as lived. Remember that kwa, huh? Live can be
Yeah.
like, for example, if you're having an FB live, you know how to do an FB live? You know how
No.
to do that? FB live, Facebook live. Do you know that?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you understand what's a Facebook live? So we call that
Yeah.
one, yeah. Do you do that one? Do you do the FB live? Huh? Have you
No.
experienced? Have you experienced to do the FB live?
No.
What? Okay. FB means Facebook, huh? FB means face. The F stands for face, and then the B stands for book. So that would be Facebook Live. Have you experienced doing that on your cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is live. We do not pronounce this one as live. Okay. Facebook live, it's wrong. It should be Facebook live.
Live.
Did you understand, Kwa? So therefore in here,
Yeah. Yes.
it's not live, but it's live. Okay? Okay. Can you please read the sentence again, Kwa?
Yeah. They
Oh,
live in house with garden.
houses again.
They live in houses with gardens.
Correct. Okay. Why is it live, not lives?
Is many.
Okay, because the subject would be they, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Sentence number
My
3.
husband. My husband works from 9 to 9
Hi.
9 to 5. Okay.
Yes. Oh, why is it works?
Uh, because it one
Yes, so
is
we're talking only of one husband, right?
yes, one has
So therefore, we have to use the singular verb also with the S. Okay, next.
and has 3 children.
Okay, why is it has?
Because it's one is ang.
Yes. Oh, remember, huh? Going back to our rules, he, she, it, has. Okay? I,
Okay.
you, we, they have. So in this case, Anne is just only one. And Anne is a girl. If we try to replace Anne with a pronoun, so it can be she. So she has 3 children,
Children.
right? Okay.
Okay.
Positive, you may say.
I work. I
Negative,
don't. I
work.
don't work.
Yes. Positive,
You work. You don't work.
he works,
She.
she
He.
works,
He work.
it
She
works.
work. It works. He
He,
doesn't work.
yes. So he doesn't
She
work,
doesn't work. It
she doesn't
doesn't
work,
work.
it doesn't work.
We work. We don't work. You work. You don't work. They work. They don't work.
Okay. Okay. So that's the rule, Kwa. Okay. Do you have
Okay.
questions with
Okay.
this?
No.
No more. Okay, let's proceed in here. Circle the correct words. A lot of
Okay.
English people drink or drinks tea. So the correct answer
Ring.
is
Ring.
dream. Okay, next.
It don't rain doesn't rain a lot in my
What's
country.
what's the correct answer?
It don't rain.
Mm-hmm. The subject
It
is it.
it doesn't rain.
Yes, remember? He does, she does, it does. So what's the negative of does? Doesn't or does not. So therefore, it doesn't rain a lot in my country. Number three, Kwa.
Um, you live in a beautiful house.
Very good. That's correct. Number four,
The weather change quickly in Britain.
the weather
Okay,
changes quickly in
Britain.
Britain. Okay, Britain. Okay. Next,
Yeah.
because when we are talking of weather, that's what we called uh, one. What do we do that one? Okay, weather. That means it's uncountable, right? We cannot count that. Okay, so therefore that can be grouped only as one. So therefore we have to use the verb
Uh,
also in
change.
singular. So changes. So can you say weather?
Weather.
Yeah, weather again.
Weather.
Next, number five, what?
My father
Boyfriend.
doesn't.
Yeah. Sorry, my father.
My father doesn't cook.
Correct. Okay, number six.
My boyfriend doesn't wear glasses.
Where? Okay, again.
Wear glasses.
Where? What? Where?
Wear.
Where?
My
What?
boy. What? Wear.
Okay,
Okay.
glasses. Next, number seven.
People. People don't have ID card in Britain.
Yes, so people don't have. Okay, next.
We um we need a new computer.
We
We need
need.
a new computer.
Yeah, we need. Okay, next.
We need, yeah. My eldest friend makes food, make good coffee.
Okay. My English friend make or makes?
Make,
Are you sure it's a make?
yeah.
How many friends do you have?
Me,
Only one. And that's your
yeah.
English friend. So it makes, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
my English friend makes good coffee. Next, number 10.
I doesn't do
Mm,
exercise.
right.
I don't
Yes. Why?
don't do
Because
exercise.
I do.
I
You
do,
do, right? I do, you do, they do, you do, right?
yeah.
Okay. So therefore, you have to say the negative one of do is don't. So I don't do exercise. Okay. Do you have
Yeah.
questions with this, Kwa?
No.
No more. Now, let's move on. Look at the chart and complete the sentences.
Real.
Okay. Eat fast food. Ryan eats. Okay, Ryan
Yeah.
eats fast food, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
Ryan eats fast food. Ryan,
Don't wear jeans.
why is it
Brian
don't?
Brian doesn't wearing jeans
Yes, okay. So it should be doesn't. Okay. Why is it doesn't?
because Brian is he.
Okay, Ryan is just only one, right? So
Yeah.
therefore, we have to use doesn't. Okay?
Explain.
because Ryan is singular. It's just only one. So Ryan doesn't wear jeans.
Yeah.
Next,
Ryan and Kim
Ryan and
uh,
Kim.
drink mineral water.
Ryan and Kim drink or drinks.
Drink.
Why is it drink? Why is it drink?
Ryan and what?
Okay. Actually, that's correct. Why? Because we are talking of two person, right? Two persons, and that would be Ryan and Kim, and that would be they,
He
right? So that
okay.
would be plural. Next, number four, Kim.
Kim Kim doesn't do homework.
Okay, housework, not homework. So
Doesn't Kim doesn't do homework.
okay, so Kim
Yan.
doesn't do homework.
Đấy.
Okay, next.
Này sớm học. Ok kèm tí 12 giờ học.
Ryan and Kim blank the guitar.
Yeah. Ryan and Kim don't don't play the guitar.
Correct. Okay, so why is it don't?
Đi nói đi.
Why
Trời
is
ơi,
it
tôi nghe.
don't?
Học xong rồi.
Okay, why is it don't, Khoa?
Because Ryan and Kim is person.
Okay, because there are two
Two.
persons, right?
Yeah.
So they are. Okay, so they,
Yeah.
that means two of them. Next, number six.
Kim
Kim.
Kim doesn't eat five food.
Okay, so Kim doesn't. So why is it doesn't?
Is Kim is she is
Singular.
person.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Kim doesn't eat fast food. Okay. And again,
Yeah.
remember, if we talk about negative, so our verb should be in the base form.
Uh,
Okay, we don't put an s. Okay, although Kim is only one, it's singular, right? But of
yeah.
course that's negative, so therefore, but our verb, okay, our verb must also be in the base form, so we don't put an s or es, right? Okay,
Okay.
next, number seven.
Kim wear jeans.
Kim.
Wears. Kim wear
Okay,
jeans.
wears. Okay, why is it wears?
Uh, what?
Why is it wears? We
Because,
have word wears.
no, what?
Hmm?
No.
Why is it wears?
Oh, I don't remember. Oh,
Because Kim is just only one, right?
oh, I
Yeah,
stupid.
yeah, okay. You said
Okay.
it? Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't able to hear that. Okay. Yeah, okay. Next, number eight.
Okay. Ryan.
Okay,
What?
Ryan. Ryan.
Ryan do home. Ryan does homework.
Again?
Ryan does homework.
Does. Okay, so Ryan
Does.
does homework. Okay, correct. So Ryan does housework. Okay, not homework. So Ryan does housework. Okay,
Aha.
so I guess it's already been time. It's about time for us to say goodbye now, Kwa. So we'll see each other again this coming Friday, okay? Do you have questions?
No.
No more. Okay, we'll see each other again this coming Friday, Kwa. Have a good
Yeah.
night. Bye bye.
Have a good night.
Bye bye.